the Frog here, and in today's video, I'm going to be actually cooking something because my friends told me that ordering peanut butter cookies from a bakery is not how you get cookies. Like, I don't even... They said I was clickbait. Well, guess what? I'm going to bake something. No! Who the heck are you? Don't even think about baking something. You're gonna burn down the whole house. How'd you even get in my house? Don't ask, okay? Well, guess what? I just did. Oh. Just be careful, okay? Get out of my house! Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. So anyways, today we're gonna be making, can't open it. Stupid fridge! I have no idea. We'll just make, chocolate chip cookies with the ingredients we have. How'd you get in my house again? I like your kitchen. Get out! No. Oh crap. Sorry about that. Alright, let's get into the recipe. Don't forget, this is my signature recipe, so if you recreate it, make sure to give me credit for the recipe. Okay, so your first ingredient is a bowl. Mom, come here. Okay, I got the bowl. Ow. Okay, guys, so you got your bowl. Also need this mix thing. I have no idea what it is. It looks really weird. Like, why don't people just use spoons? So yeah. It's so weird. What the heck? It's scary. Oh, my bowl. Okay, now you need, let me look in my fridge. Let's see here. Don't people, like, use butter in their cookies? So, yeah, you're just gonna put the butter in there. Make sure you keep on the wrapping. That's what makes it nice and crunchy. OMG, I just realized aprons came with this kitchen. Hold on. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I look so fabulous. You guys, I need to be in Vogue. I look so fabulous. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so loving it. Like McDonald's. Okay, anyway, so your next ingredient is toast. Gotta put that delicious toast in there. Alright, now you gotta mix it all up. This is what I see people do. They like smush it like that. That didn't happen. Okay, now you need a lemon. That's what makes the chocolate chips. If you didn't know that, you're not paying attention in history class. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Alright, now you need a tray. And you're going to, like, pour all the ingredients into the tray. Now you want to roll it out so it's nice and flat like cookies. Cookies are flat. Okay, now you're gonna put it in the oven. Hold on. Gotta get up the tray. This is how I go to the oven, you guys. It's so easy. Here's a life hack. Like a boss. Okay, now you're going to open up that sharp oven. Looking lit, buddy. Throw that in there. Close it up. Now you just have to wait. But if you're like me, then you can do your magic. Now it should be all done. Wow! Let's take it out. Nom, nom, nom. Look at that. It looks not like chocolate chip cookies. Well, I made a cake. I thought they was supposed to be chocolate chip cookies. What happened? On other people's videos, they just threw it in the oven and they turned into circles. What the heck is this? Flip all the tables. Well, I guess I can get that kid that I locked in my basement to try it. Let me go check. Okay, got him. What do you want? I don't know how he got in my house, but you gotta try my new cookies. Peep, even you're scared to try out your own cooking. No, Okay, I am scared of my own cooking. Just try it. Ugh, fine. These aren't cookies. I know, I realize that too. Just eat it. Alright, Peep, but if you poison me, how do you know my name? First you get into my house, and then you know my name? Do you want me to try it or not? Okay, go ahead. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay, do it. So, is it delicious? Wow. I guess it is delicious. Well, stay tuned for another Peep the Frog cooking show.